This is my own developed quick interactive survey tool that anyone can use to conduct simple real-time survey, especially useful for marketing and sales professional in their day-to-day work. Let's imagine you are at your desk and suddenly you have an idea for a quick survey. You want to gather instant feedback from colleagues or professionals around you. With this tool, it is easy. For example, say you want to ask two simple questions and your respondents will just need to select their answer. There is no typing, so no hassle. Let's say the first person select Facebook as option for first questions and select video for second questions. And the second person should choose TikTok and then choose video. And the third person selects here LinkedIn and text post. And the fourth one again select here TikTok and video. Now let's say here you can get the overall summary of your survey instantly. As they respond, the tool automatically generates visual bar chart that showing the percentage of response in real time. So here at the bottom, you can see the reset pool button, where as soon as you click on this button, then everything will be 0. That means you can again start your survey for new group of audience or new group of people. So actually why this tool is powerful? Because there is no complex setup like Google Forms. You will get instant results and visualization. It is clean, professional and user-friendly interface. So we can say it is perfect for quick internal pulls, client preference, campaign testing and many more. So if you want to get this kind of customized version of survey tool for your team or business, feel free to drop a comment in my Facebook or just send me message to know the price of this interactive survey tool. Thank you.